Hello, we're going to start here on multiplication of decimals today, and we're going to start with this first problem, 30.9 times 0.02. Okay, first thing that I do on this is I rewrite the problem in the normal format. I'm not sure if it's called standard format or what, but just so it's easier to see. 30.9 is 0.2 multiplication. That's the first thing. Now this one looks like it's a pretty simple multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry the 1 because it's 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 there. 2 times 3 is 6. And oh, we're done. There's a 0 there. 0 times anything is 0. So how many decimal points do we have? Make sure things line up. We have 1 and 2. So go to the right. 1, 2. 6.18 is the answer. Does that make sense? Let's do a quick check here. The main thing I'm trying to check here is how are we close to the answer makes sense. So 30.9, 30, okay, and times here. Well, 2.2 is 2/10, so make it 2/10. We get rid of the decimal for now. Okay. Used in fractions, I know, but it's one way of looking at it. Okay, that's like 60 over 10. And that equals 6. 6 and 6.18, they're pretty close together, so yeah, we did good. Okay, advancing to number 2 here. First thing, rewrite. So 5311.4 multiplied by 7.5. And again, the reason why I lined it up this way is to only do 2 rows of multiplication. You could have put 55,311.4 down here and gone through applied forever here, or just did this here. So I just do it this way. Reference. So, all right, first row, 20. 5 times 1 is 5, makes 7. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 25, 26. Next line, a 0 to start before we do the multiplication. 7 times 4 is 28. To 2 makes a 9. So 7, 21. 35 plus 2 is 37. Okay, let's add this up. 0, 15, that's 15, 13, 8, 9, 3. Next thing is, where's the decimal point go? 2 decimal points, 1, 2, go right there. Okay, now again, as we go through, let's check to see if this makes an answer, okay? Alright, so just to get a round idea here, let's go with a check here. And let's just go with 5,000, which is smaller than 5,300, and multiply it by 8. Okay, because 7.5 is close to 8. So 1, 2, 3 zeros, so then 40. That's 40,000. 40,000 is close to 39,835. So yeah, good. Tells us we are in the ballpark. If we mess it up a little bit in our adding, maybe we messed it up, but at least decimal point wise, it makes sense. It's an order of magnitude. How close is it? Okay, next problem, number 3 here. Let's rewrite this problem. Make sure your decimal points are clear. And make sure you line things up nicely as far as we need to your addition, for your addition here. Okay, 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. 45 plus 4 is 49. 20 and 4 is 24. Okay, the nice thing of this problem, it's 5 and 5 again. Same multiplication, but you need to shift things over. Okay? So 0, then 5, 9, 9, 4, 2. Next line, double 0, 5, 9, 9, 4, 2. Okay. And with this problem, you're going to be seeing how useful it is to keep things lined up. Otherwise, your addition gets messed up. That's a 5. That's 14. Carry the 1. That makes 10. 24. It's awfully early. Another 2. That's 6. 15. 24. 2. 4. 8. That's 17. Carry the 1 makes it 7. 2. Okay. Last thing is how many decimal points here? 1, 2, 3 it says here. How many total you have here? So go 1, 2, 3. There's your answer. 2,774.445. Now let's check this answer for how close we think we are. Make sure we get decimal points right. Let's do 55 times 50, just to get a relative idea here. Okay, 0, 0. Next line. That's 0, 25, 27, 0, 5, 7, 2. All right, 2,750 is pretty darn close to 2,774. So we're close. I think we're in good shape. Okay, last problem, number 4. Get this thing lined up momentarily here. Okay, again, that's the problem. Make sure you remember your decimal point. Okay, gotta hold my hand here to get my left hand from being sleepy here. Okay, 18. Because 2 times 9 is 18. Put 8 there, carry the 1. 9 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is still 1. So that's good. 36. Carry 3. 54, 57. Next line, put a 0. Okay, times 1, so this will be 2, 0, 4, 6. 2 zeros, next line. 10, 20, carry the 2, 32. And as you can see, it's very important to keep things neat and lined. That way you don't get messed up. Things up 8, 3, 6, 12, 12 again, 3, and a 3. Decimal points. Go back up here. 3 here, 4 decimal points. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 332.2638. Again, I know I'm beating this to the ground here, but let's double check our answer here. As far as its decimal point in the right place, that kind of thing, by redoing a multiplication here. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see, let's just do 50 times 7. That'll be close enough just to see for the relative order here. 50 times 7, that's 350. 350 versus 332, yep, close. All right, that means we're getting a check mark on that. All right, so again, that is a whole bunch of multiplication with fraction, with decimals. I hope this helps.